All right, so I want to give you a quick walkthrough of how easy the ShopBuildr plugin is to use and set up, and give you an example of how quickly it can create a done-for-you Amazon affiliate store. So I'm just here at a demo site I set up. I can refresh this page. You can see I have no products currently on the site. So if I go into my back end here, you'll again see I have no products. I have the ShopBuildr software installed, and all I need to do is click Start Import, and then I'm going to choose the done-for-you products that come with the software. So I have those chosen. I'm going to hit Continue. I am going to scroll down to the bottom here and run the importer to add all of those products to my site. And you can see that's been imported. So now if I come back over here, again, I had no products and I just simply upload that file and use the software. I'm going to refresh the page here. And you can see just like that, my entire store has been created. So it brought in all these products for me. I can scroll down here. We can see brought in all of those for us. They're all set up for us. If we click on one of these, you can see it brought in the image, also some related images. It's got the title up here. Our affiliate link is in the buy product. If we scroll down here, we have the description of the product. And in addition, it also brought in a related YouTube video, because of course, that is great for SEO. Google loves to see videos on there. And it's also beneficial to anyone browsing our site. And then down here, we have related products as well. Now, the entire site is completely customizable, so you can go ahead, add your own image, sort the products by categories, what have you. But again, in just a matter of seconds, it built us an entire affiliate store. Now also, once your store is completed, if we go back into the back end, we can start adding more products. We can add as many products as we want. There is no limit. We can edit any of these. So some of the products on Amazon have a rather long description. So let's say I wanted to edit the title. I can simply do that, hit update, and it'll go ahead and update that on our site. So again, it's just an incredibly easy software to use that absolutely anyone can use to go ahead and get their own Amazon affiliate store set up in just a matter of seconds.